Hi everyone, this is 12 News meteorologist Stephen Matrograno here with a Weather Now update for you. We're looking at a cold time of it out here in Providence. Temperatures, upper 20s, lower 30s, blue sky and sunshine. Definitely want to have those winter layers with you because it's definitely feeling cold out there after an Arctic front made its way through yesterday. And looking out here in Newport, similar look, sunshine, blue sky, and again, cold temperatures. Radar's quiet, no snow, but I am tracking an area of moisture, and you can see all the white and blue on the screen across Kentucky, Tennessee, Virginia, and some of the Gulf Coast states. That's snow, and we're looking at that to, make its way towards us later on tonight and into Tuesday. We're kind of looking at a mixed bag of everything, a little bit of snow, sleet, freezing rain, and even plain rain down at the coastline. So here's our storm timeline. Snow breaks out around midnight or so, generally on the light side to begin, and then we'll see it continue into the pre-dawn hours and towards that morning commute before we start seeing things change to a wintry mix of snow, sleet, freezing rain during the day on Tuesday, at times mixing with and changing to plain rain along the coast and further south and east as enough warmer air works its way in off the warmer ocean water, and then we kind of all see a little bit of leftover snow shower activity on the backside as the storm pulls away and some colder air funnels back in. But again, this is a minor event for everyone, really looking at this system tracking through. Here's a breakdown of the precip types, and you can see the blue is the all snow. That's really further north and west across western Mass and parts of Connecticut and also northwestern parts of Rhode Island. Everyone else is just seeing that snow to a mix in that pink shaded area, and then also down to the Cape and some of the islands looking at snow to rain. Here's what we're thinking for snowfall totals, and really not all that impressive. A coating, maybe an inch in some spots in the green. That's including the coastal regions out towards the southeastern Mass. Where you see that blue is the 1 to 3 inch range, and again, it's a range, so I'm actually leaning on the lower end of these numbers. So I'm thinking we'll see a lot of 1s and 2s in terms of snowfall totals from this system. Just not enough, moisture with it. It's not going to be heavy enough to really cause too many issues in regards to snowfall totals, but would not be surprised if someone in one of the hills, gets a 3-inch total from the front end snow. So that's what we're looking at. Again, not a big deal. There may be some slick spots for your morning and PM commute, but for the most part, again, this is a minor event coming our way. For the rest of this afternoon, temperatures topping out lower 30s. Look for sunshine and clear skies going into tonight. Clouds do develop, though, this evening, and we'll look at some snow later on tonight, again, around midnight and then points thereafter. And then it continues into our Tuesday before changing to some sleet and freezing rain, and then maybe even some plain rain along the coast before we finally end with some snow showers for later Tuesday evening. And we are also watching another system down the line for later in the week. It's still several days away, so we'll be watching that closely as we go forward through the next couple of days. But that's a look at your Weather Now update. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll have more updates to come later on tonight.